Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas to which I've added some white paint. I have been totally inspired by Molly over at Molly's Artistry on YouTube, and she did a rainbow wave, and I just thought it was beautiful, so I'm just going to put my wave, a little guide for moi, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. So the colours that I have is like a midnight blue, silver, yellow, red, and then a paler blue, gold and purple. So I might just do this, get them closer to me, and I shall start. And the idea with this is to blow it out with a blow dryer, which is okay by me, I think. And some purple maybe. Bit of gold in Dunbar Hills. There's a dribble. Some red might be nice. Some yellow. There's no silicone in any of these colours, and the recipes you'll find for these colours in the pouring medium are down below under Show More. And a bit of blue here maybe. Okay, so I think I've got, oh no, a bit of silver here too, which I dribbled the purple into. Alright, so we might just see how that goes, and I'll move these out of the way, because I know what will probably happen, and I don't really want them all mixed up. I'm not going to put any black on, and maybe sprinkle some white. Just to see what happens here. Now, I have my hairdryer here. I shall plug him in. Turn this around a bit to get at it. So we'll do this. Okay. Which way did I have it? That way and this. Well, that's certainly not exactly like Molly's, but she probably had less paint than me. I just totally put too much paint on. I really do every time. So I'm going to do a bit of a scrape job here, just to make my whole wave look like a wave. And white. That bit, if I can't cover it, doesn't really matter, I don't suppose, if he has a bit of a breakthrough on colours, because it'll look like splashes. Splishes and splashes, precious. Okay. I'm quite happy there. And I need a cloth for my hands. Where did it go? Yeah, it's a mile under the table. Alright, use this one. And my tubing is right at hand. Put it on my arm, gross, gooey stuff. So I'm going to blow a bit more of this colour off here, I think. I do have rather a lot on there. And it might have been even better if I hadn't gone and touched that. Okay. Okay, there's a patch job. I really like it, and I think I need more white there just to make those different. So let me think how I can do that. If I just go around, which is a shame because, there goes that white again. I did get a bit of red in there. Okay, so I'm just going to turn this around like that, and then just give that a little torque blow too, so that it can settle down a bit more. Very happy here, and I like the splitchy bits. They look like splashes, and this paint will settle down as it dries and be good. Canvas showing here. Just cover that. I haven't checked the corners yet, so this is probably why there's canvas there. Need something there. This one can have some white. There. Oh, I really like this molly. Turned out very pretty. So I'm going to wipe my hands and bring you down for a closer look in a second when I stop fiddling. And I really do like it. And it's fun to do, so I'm sort of suggesting that anyone that would like to should give it a whirl. Yes. Just before I bring it down though to have a look at it, I might give it a little torch just to make sure I don't have any air bubbles. Really opposed to having those. Alright, so I'll bring you down to have a little look-see, and I think I said the recipes for the paints and pouring mediums below show more under this video. There's no silicone at all in this. There she is, and it turned out very pretty. Yeah, no silicone at all in here. There's also a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us there, and I hope you've enjoyed this. I can see something else I'd like to do, so we'll have a little look and then I'll go and do it. Alright, let me see, I might be able to do it while you're still watching, so you can get a bird's eye view here, eh? So I just wanted to sort of do this, make the red and the yellow a little bit more fluffy. Okay, I think that's how I would like it. Yep, see the difference? Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and click the little bell. You'll be notified then as I put up more videos. Come across to Australia Art Dreaming and join us, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.